In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete a feedback survey. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your survey's enterprise or location selected, then choose Collaboration. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Feedback, and select Surveys from the drop-down list. Select the survey you would like to edit from the list to the left. I'll choose Test. Now I can edit any of this information. Let's say I want to change the name from Test to Test 2. I can do that. I could also put something in the header like this is the header if I want to look at the survey and see what that does. And maybe I want to give access to the employees, so I can click that box. And I can change any of the other information in here. If I'm happy with my changes, I will click Save. And now those edits have been saved. To edit a question, scroll down. And now you can see your questions. Right now I can see question 1 is called Pick 1. The type of answer is a radio. That means your employees or managers will click one answer. They cannot choose more than one. I can see the options they can choose from, which is option 1, 2, or 3. This question is required and it is enabled. If I look at question 2, it's titled Pick Multiple, and the type is single. What I wanted to do with this question was give my managers the chance to select multiple options at once, and this single question type will not do that. So maybe I want to go ahead and edit that question. So I'll click on this question name, and now I can change any of the question details. So to fix the type, I will select the arrow next to type and choose multi-checkboxes. Now my survey recipients will be able to choose answer 1, 2, or 3, or any combination of those answers. Also, this question is not currently enabled. If I want my recipients to see this question, I do need to check that enabled box. So I'll go ahead and do that. And I could have changed any of the other information. If you changed your mind and you don't want to edit this question, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now that question has been changed. You can see the type now says Check, which is short for the multi-checkboxes, and it is enabled. If I changed my mind and I just didn't want that question at all, I could click on that question and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this question, and it's letting you know if you delete a live question, all of the data from that question will also be deleted. If you don't want to delete this question, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that question has been deleted, as well as any data related to that question. If I changed my mind and I just want to delete this survey entirely, I can click Delete here. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete this survey. It's also letting you know if you choose to delete the survey, all of the data from the survey will be deleted. If you don't want to delete the survey, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that survey has been deleted. That's how you can edit and delete surveys in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view the results from your surveys.